So I was thinking about doing something cool with Python and suddenly this came into my mind. What if I can write a Python script that notifies me when someone unfollows me on Instagram? Surprisingly, this actually turned out to be very simple to implement. So let me show you how I got this done. It should retrieve all the followers of an Instagram user for every given time interval. For example, if the time interval is 40 minutes, it means the script must retrieve the followers of a user every 40 minutes. When it retrieves the followers, the script must then compare the current follower list with the follower list from the previous timestamp. So the users who are not included in the current follower list but are included in the previous follower list are the ones that unfollowed you for that given time period. It must then send this list of unfollowers somewhere so that I or the person using the script can see it. So the first task is to retrieve the followers of a user. This obviously can be done by using Instagram API. But let me tell you, not everyone can use the Instagram API. You actually need to get authorization from Facebook in order to use the API. It's basically a very long and complicated process to get the permission. So we're going to do this by scraping Instagram.com. Now there are a lot of Instagram scraping modules available on GitHub, out of which InstaPy is probably the most used. But we'll not be using this module because it is simply hard to set up on cloud. Instead, we'll be using another such module called Instagram Scraper. Before getting started, I created a new Instagram account to use this with my script because I obviously don't want to use my real account with the script for security reasons and also due to the fact that Instagram may ban your account if it finds out that you're using an automation script. So we'll call this new account our bot account. So if you're trying this, I recommend you to create a new account to use with the script. Do not use your real account with this. The first thing to do is to simply log into my Instagram bot account with my username and password. And then I can simply retrieve all the users of my original Instagram account with a simple predefined function. I also saved the current timestamp to make it easier for me to understand when the activity actually took place. And then I just look for the file followerlist.txt, and if it doesn't exist, I simply create a file with the same name and write all the retrieved followers into that file. This file is used to save the followers from the previous timestamp so that we can compare it with the current followers. So if the file already exists, I just compare the followers stored in the file with the followers I currently retrieved. And I can simply figure out who unfollowed me and who followed me in the last n minutes. N here is nothing but the time interval we were talking about earlier. I'll just add some rough error handling here and include all this inside a while loop that runs forever. And I want to iterate this loop for every 40 minutes, which means my script will retrieve the live followers of my real Instagram account every 40 minutes. You can set this interval value to whatever you want, but make sure that you give it at least 30 minutes. Because as I said, if Instagram figures out that you are a bot, your account will be banned. So that's it. Now we need to just send this data to somewhere so that we can read it. And what better to use than Discord for this? Discord is a great platform to do stuff like this. You can create your own bots. You could just do whatever you like. There are no API restrictions on Discord. You don't need to apply for anything. You don't need to get any permission or anything. You can just create your own webhook and start receiving data to your Discord from anywhere. So I'll just go to my server settings and then go to webhook, and then I'll just create a new webhook and name it Instagram bot. I'll select the channel as Instagram so that the received data will be sent to this channel. You can also give your bot an avatar image if you like. And then I found this module which makes it easier to use Discord webhooks from Python. So I just created a new script file and I wrote some simple code that sends the unfollowers data to my Discord webhook URL in a structured manner. Now I want to keep running this script forever until I want to stop it. The easiest and the no cost way is Python Anywhere. You can go to pythonanywhere.com and create your account and then go to files and upload your source code files and also your requirements.txt. Now you can go to consoles and create a new console and then install the required modules first with pip and then simply run python unfollow monitor.py. And there you go. The script is now running. I will get notified when someone unfollows me or follows me on Instagram. I'll post all this source code on my GitHub and the link can be found in the description below. You just need to modify the source code and put your Instagram bot account credentials and the Instagram username whose unfollowers you want to monitor. And also you want to make sure that you put in your Discord webhook URL so that you receive the messages to your Discord. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up below. And if you are not yet a subscriber to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon to receive instant updates from my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then.